So this is making a Biscoff kind of caramel cheesecake. One ingredient is this salted caramel, and we're going to put a teaspoon in each bowl. So just a teaspoon, spread it around, just one in each. Obviously one's going to be whipping cream, double cream, and the other's going to be the cheese. Just to be a second there, so I'm using this cheese, that one will go in that one. Using this whipping cream, and we're going to put that one in this one. And we'll use Lotus Biscoff. Just be a sec there. So the Biscoff, we're going to put a 4-pack in here. Just a sec. So I'll put the full pack in there, bar 2. So I've left 2, so I'm going to use them later on. And we're going to blend. Just going to get the lids put on. So lids are on. Totally sealed. Blend. And we're just going to pulse it. Bit of a shake. Now we're going to essentially put it in the dish, but we're going to then add the butter to it when it's in the dish. So Biscoff's in the dish. Now I'm just going to melt some butter in a small bowl, and then we're going to add that in and then mix it all up. So I've added in 2 of these tablespoons of butter. I'm just melting it now. Then I'm going to pour it in that Biscoff mix. Kind of like this. I'm just going to pour it over the top. Try and spread it around. So spread the butter around and get it kind of as even as you can, and then obviously just push all this biscuit in to the bottom of there as much as you can, basically to get it as flat as you can, as even as you can. And that's basically our base done. Then we put this in the fridge while we do the other stuff. Put the tub of cheese in the bowl, and then we're going to whisk it. Same with the whipping cream, get it about like that. And we're going to fold them together. A little bit more, felt a bit too runny, so there we go. And then we're going to add that one into that one. So I essentially like to have it like this kind of consistency, where you can kind of like spread it out and it'll lay on it, on each other, like it'll, obviously I've folded it all in together and then start basically trying to spread it out like you would a cheesecake in here, and you can make sure it's all folded up. And now we're gonna add that onto the base. So we're gonna get it all folded up, folded in, put into this tin like this. Then it's gonna need about 2 hours at first, and then I'm gonna put the biscuit around the edge and then back in for another 2 hours. So after 2 hours in the fridge, get it out, and then them 2 biscuits we had, we're just gonna go around the edge all the way around, and obviously back in for another 2 hours, back in the fridge.